Let's learn how to create a new branch inside of GitHub. So when you come to your repository, you'll notice on the left-hand side, you're currently on an active branch. This branch, as well as any other branches, can be viewed if you click on the dropdown. You'll see a list of all of your branches here. It won't be a full list. It'll just be the ones that have been most recently committed to. And then you can click on view all branches to see every single one. If we click on this, we'll be brought to this page where we can actually create a new branch. Over here on the right, we can click this green button to create a new branch. We give it some name, and you'll see that the second option is source. And this is where we're going to actually be branching from. You can select any branch that you want. You can use this search to find what branch you're trying to branch from, and you can then select it. From here, you just click create new branch, and now you have a new branch ready for you to commit any changes to. You can see in our active branches, we now have the some name branch, and if we click on it, we actually get brought to the repository page where we can see what code is inside that branch. Another way to get to that view all branches page is by clicking this branches button right next to the name of a branch that you have that's active, and it will take you directly to the same page that we just looked at. If you don't want to go to that view all branches page, there's actually another way to create a new branch. If you click on the drop down of your branch and then start typing a branch name, the name that you want the branch to be, some name 2, you can see that there's an option here to create branch some name 2 from main. The branch that is creating from will be the one that is the default branch, the one that you have on the drop down menu up here. So when we click on this, it immediately creates a new branch for you. And if we go to branches, we can see that we now have some name 2 listed here. And that is how you create a branch inside of your GitHub repository.